Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I got a double unboxing. Something I ordered. Let me see. I ordered and I got, because I made a trade with Lockpicking Dev. I didn't know he had a logo lock, but he does. And he offered to trade. I haven't sent mine because he's sending some stuff to me and I will forward to him. But I received his logo lock. I made for him. So let's really quickly do the unpacking. I optimized it a little more so it's more clear or more crisp. Because this one was a little too... Yeah, you see what I mean. So this is the one that goes out to the Lockpicking Dev. And if you want to trade logo locks with me, that would be the one you're getting. Alright, or kind of this one. An ABS 7240. It's a nice set of keys. Ooh, look at this key. Look at this bitting. It's like a saw. Tuck, 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 tuck. Could be nice, could be interesting to pick. And I got a second one, of course, for me. And I will just order them whenever I need one. So, one is for Lockpicking Dev, the other one is for my collection. So it goes on my wall. And as soon as he tells me I can send the stuff, because he ordered some locks to my place in Europe, in Switzerland, and then I will send it out. Now, let's see what he sent me. Already arrived. Thank you so much, buddy, for the trade. Oh, stickers. I love stickers. I haven't made up any new stickers yet, so sorry for that. I cannot send you some stickers. One of these will definitely go on my wall, like always. And it's the keys. So we made a simple logo lock trade. And let's see what we got. I will not try to pick it. Oh, maybe. Ooh. This is a model 425. And it's very clean and plain logo. I really enjoy it. I really like that. And it will go on my wall for sure. Let me put that there. I'm getting a collection of the makers now. Because everyone who got a logo lock in the stateside, they have like Mako. No, Mako? No. Yeah, Mako locks. Oh, what is it? No, pack locks. Oh, that's a Mako. Nice. Charles got a pack lock, right? Yeah, it's a pack lock. Oh, cool. So, mostly I got pack locks. To be honest, I only got... This is my third. Yeah. Well, anyways, this is my first 425. Look at this bitting. What is it? 2, 4, 6. 6 pinner. Nice. What's that LPU pick work in here? Yeah, it would work. So here we got the double. Oh, that's a bitting 242532. Very nice. We did the double unpacking here. I got my new logo lock from Lockpicking Dev. Couple stickers. Thank you so much, buddy. And as you have seen, your lock is ready to ship whenever you give me the go ahead. Pretty nice. Oh, a little sticky. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.